Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a funnel in system.io. First you have to log into your system.io profile and you will land on your dashboard, and from here you will find the websites from your menu bar here. Simply click on it, then click on sales funnel. Now, usually you will find funnel option from in these pipelines. If you don't find it, go to websites, hover over your mouse indicator, and you will find a drop down option, and there you will find sales funnel. Simply click on it and you will find a page where you can create funnels. Simply click on this plus create button, and here you can see you can create funnel. You can name your funnel, and here is your funnel domain. You can choose your funnel goal from here. There are 4 goals available that you can select. You can select all of this, and then you also can set currency for your funnel. That's how you can create a funnel in system.io. You just need to fill up all these necessary steps and then simply click on save. Then you can just create a funnel just like this. Here it is. It is a funnel for my website, and you can view your funnel by clicking on view funnel from here. I just need to select a template for my funnel here. Just simply click on select. You can select it by click on select for your funnel. Also you can preview a template before selecting. Then you just need to click on choose offers type. If your digital project product, then you can select it, and if it's physical product, then select physical product. Then view funnel here, and here it is. You can see I have created a funnel on system.io. It's very simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.